Hello my dear boys and girls. How are you today? I'm hoping that you are all fine and okay, and Teacher Lisa is happy to welcome you in our art class today. For your art craft, I want you to guess what we are going to do. I will describe this kind of animal. This animal has a steamer, it has wings, it has also antennae, and the body is a special one. It has stripes. What kind of animal is that? And when it stings, it's very painful. Can you guess it? And we will make a puppet. A puppet like this. And a puppet like this. What animal is it? Can you guess now? Yes, we will make a bee hand puppet. Bee hand puppet. And what are the materials to be used? And these are the steps on how to do it. First, these are the parts of a bee. We will cut these parts, then form.